Hey, what's up guys? It's Jono Armstrong here and welcome to the JV page of ProsperaBuilder. We're going to be having a pre-launch webinar which is going to kick off at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now for ProsperaBuilder, I've teamed up with the two legends, Richard Fairburn and Simon Phillips, and we're bringing to the market a one-time only offer that's never been done before, and it's an offer that comes preloaded with 5 AI businesses that are good to go. Now, unlike most AI products that you see released these days, where you're required to input a bunch of different prompts and connect up to APIs and do everything yourself, this is 100% the opposite. So all you need to do is get in touch with the CEO of one of your 5 businesses that you handed on the front end, and the CEO will then hand down or delegate the tasks to a whole team of a total of 24 in-house marketing staff. So in a nutshell, you're basically owning your own AI business. Now, a real world example of this is there is a guy in Sweden called Peter who owned an AI photography business, and he ran it all completely on his own, because he had a bunch of different AI staff that were doing all of the fulfillment process for him and the marketing and all the rest of it. And he recently shared screenshots from his Stripe account where he's making over $138,000 a month just as a one-man business. No team, no staff, just him on his own with an AI run business, fully run by AI. And that's what ProsperaBuilder is all about. Now, that's just the front end. We have a bunch of other upgrades which you'll see further down on the JV page, which you can go and check out, which makes this even better. We've got over $2,000 in prizes that we're going to be giving away through multiple different contests. And if you need anything to do with this launch, get in touch with Paula Marie. Her details are going to be further down on this page. If you need review access, swipes, anything that you need for the launch, get in touch with Paula and she'll help you out. I think that's about it. Any other information is going to be on this page just a bit further down, so go and check it out, and I hope that you'll come and join us. See you there. Take care.
If you buy through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package valued at $747. The bonus is a course, not a PDF, designed to help you earn up to $10,000 per month. To claim it, please take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Facebook. I'll send your free bonus right away.